for. Tidal Potomac from Key Bridge to Indian Head, Maryland, until 2:45 a.m. At 12:48 a.m., showers and perhaps an isolated thunderstorm were located along a line extending from 28 nautical miles northwest of Tidal Basin to 23 nautical miles west of Key Bridge to 21 nautical miles west of Leesylvania State Park, moving east at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Cloud-to-ground lightning strikes are possible as well. Locations impacted include Fort Washington, Tidal Basin, Reagan National Airport, Gunston Hall, Woodrow Wilson Bridge, Indian Head, Key Bridge, Fort Hunt, National Harbor, Mason Neck State Park, and Alexandria. Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from North Beach to Drum Point, Maryland. Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to North Beach, Maryland, until 8:45 p.m. At 7:21 p.m., a shower-producing waterspouts was located over Thomas Point Light. The shower was nearly stationary. Hazard, waterspouts and wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, Mariner. A waterspout was reported east of Mayo, Maryland. Impact, waterspouts can create locally hazardous seas. Boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include Highland Beach, Bloody Point Light, Thomas Point Light, Poplar Island, Mayo, Shadyside, and Annapolis. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately. Pools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland. Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to North Beach, Maryland. Eastern Bay until 10:30 p.m. At 8:55 p.m., a shower capable of producing waterspouts was located over Baltimore Light. The shower was nearly stationary. Hazard, waterspouts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, waterspouts can create locally hazardous seas. Locations impacted include Pinehurst, Magothy River, Gibson Island, Bodkin Point, Greenberry Point, Naval Academy, Shadyside, Highland Beach, Sandy Point State Park, Baltimore Light, Severn River, Roman Coke, Bloody Point Light, Chesapeake Bay Bridge, Mattapeake, Thomas Point Light, 7-Foot Knoll, Mayo, Annapolis, and Deal. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately. Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from North Beach to Drum Point, Maryland. Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to North Beach, Maryland. Churchill River to Cambridge, Maryland, and the Little Choptank River. Eastern Bay until 12:30 a.m. At 10:57 p.m., a line of robust showers capable of producing waterspouts were located along a line extending from Bloody Point Light to Tillman Island, moving southeast at 5 knots. Hazard, waterspouts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Locations impacted include Blackownet Point, Bloody Point Light, Poplar Island, and Tillman Island. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately.